Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix speaker not working problem in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, open settings, search mute, click on mute all sound shortcuts. Here you will see mute all sound shortcuts. And if you want to turn off mute, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, mute all sound shortcuts from your phone. Now go back. After that, do not disturb, turn off. Again, open settings, search do not disturb, click on do not disturb. Here you will see do not disturb, and if you want to turn off do not disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. After that, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart. Again, click on restart, restart your phone. This is how you can fix speaker not working problem in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.